cards after work, Storms 3777 in Publix, and played a few of the $10 cards, and they've just been like how they've been this past weekend. They've been absolute pure shit. But I'll get some $5 cards, and I'll have to tell you the story. But we got triple winning 7. We got a win all, and I just hit a 15 on this. This one's going to be $50. Yep, this one's going to be $50, guys. FTY. I see the FTY. I'll try to hold it still. I don't have the tape in the car, okay? There it is, $50. The second time. These $5 cards here over at Publix have been absolutely rocking. I am not kidding. This is the second 50 I've hit. I had a 50 on Cash Blowout with a